I save 18 hours every single week using Claude AI. Not because I'm faster, because I stopped writing prompts wrong. And in the next 7 minutes, I'll show you the 5 prompts I use every day, plus the framework that makes them work. When you stay until the end, I'll give you everything. So by the end, you'll have 18 hours back in your calendar as well. And plus, this is the cool thing, you'll know how to write 1,000 more prompts on your own. Welcome to Practical AI. My name is Jan Rogrud, and I've been doing this for 15 years plus in the marketing business. So every great prompt has 5 parts. Part 1 is context. What's happening in your business right now? You give Claude the situation before the question. Part 2 is the outcome. What you want at the end. Not what you want to know, what you want Claude to produce. Part 3, constraints. What limits Claude has to work within. Budget, time, team size, tools. Part 4, source material. What Claude should use. And that is your notes, your website, copy, transcripts, drafts, etc. Part 5, standards. How Claude should judge the quality of its own output. And this is where most people are weak. Context, outcome, constraints, source material, standards. These are the 5 components of the framework, and I'm going to show you how all 5 show up in every prompt I'm about to share. The 5 prompts is the triage, the devil's advocate, the remix, the cheat sheet, the BS detector. And if you stay until the end, as I promised, I have a surprise for you. I'll give you the entire cheat sheet so that you can get more productive than ever before. All right, let's start. The triage. If you spend more than 30 minutes a day in email hell, I'll call it, this will give you your morning back. So here's the prompt. You're my executive assistant. That's the context. Below are emails from my inbox. That's the source material. For each one, give me priority level, a 1-sentence summary, and a draft 2-3 sentence reply. That's the outcome. The tone is direct, warm, no fluff. And you never want to use M-dashes. Those are the constraints. If an email is sales, spam, or low value, mark ignore and skip the reply. That's the standard. Then I paste the emails, all 5 parts of the framework, in one prompt. What used to take me an hour now takes about 15 minutes. And that's 45 minutes a day. Almost 4 hours every week, literally, just from email. The next one, the devil's advocate. Most people use AI to validate their decisions. This one is intended to break them. Here's the prompt. I'm about to make a decision, and I want you to stress test it. That's the context. Don't agree with me. Don't be polite. Your job is to find the holes. Those are the standards. Here's the decision and my reasoning. That's the source material. Give me the 3 strongest counter arguments, the 2 assumptions I'm making that are most likely wrong, 1 question I should answer before moving forward, and a final verdict. Proceed, pause, or kill. That's the outcome. Notice what's missing? Constraints here. Because on a decision like this, I want Claude to think wide open. And that's the framework in action here. Use what fits and skip what doesn't. 2 hours saved per decision here. 2 decisions per week. 4 hours back, and the bad decisions it's killed, I would say it's worth 10x that. The next one is called the remix. 1 transcript in, multiple platforms out. Here's the prompt. Below is a piece of long-form content. That's the source material. Repurpose it into 5 LinkedIn posts, 3 email subject lines, 1 Twitter thread, and 1 YouTube short script. Now that's the outcome there. Each LinkedIn post, a different angle, a contrarian, personal story, a framework, A list, a question hook, that's the constraint. A voice, confident, direct, no marketing buzzwords. Sound like a smart friend, not a brand. Those are the standards. Then I paste the transcript, 4 of the 5 framework parts. Tight, specific, execute on the first try. What used to take 4 hours of staring at a blank screen now takes about 1 hour of editing. And I do this about twice a week. That's 6 hours back. The next one is called the cheat sheet. This is the one that I teased early on. The secret in part 2 of the output. And you'll see why here. Here's the prompt. I have a meeting coming up. Context. Who am I meeting? Their role, their company, and what I know about them. That's the source material. The meeting is a discovery call, pitch, or negotiation constraint. Give me 5 thoughtful questions, 3 things I should not say, 2 likely objections with my responses, 1 warm opening line, and a 1-sentence reminder of the one thing to focus on. That's the outcome. Make the questions sound genuinely curious, not interview style. That's the standard. The 3 things I should not say is the part that saved the deals. In fact, it services the landmines before I walk in. 30 minutes per meeting, 5 meetings a week, that's 2.5 hours back. The deals I've kept from blowing up, well, way more. Okay, the next one is the BS detector. Default AI answers are watered down, trained to be balanced. This one forces it to take position. Here's the prompt. I want to learn about topic. That's the context. Explain it to me like I'm intelligent but skeptical. That's the constraint. Give me the one core idea everything is built on, what most people get wrong, the strongest argument for, the strongest argument against, where the experts usually disagree, and 1 line I should remember. That's the outcome. Skip the disclaimers. Skip it depends. Take a position. Those are the standards. 3 YouTube videos and 5 articles, now ultimately compressed into 10 minutes. This is about 1 hour per topic, 2 topics a week. There's 2 hours back. Very powerful, that one. All right, the next one's called the close, so let's add it up. The triage, nearly 4 hours. The devil's advocate, another 4. The remix, 6 hours. The cheat sheet, 2.5. The BS detector, 2. That's 18 hours every single week. Basically 2 full workdays back in your calendar. So here's what just happened. You didn't just get 5 prompts. You got a framework. You got context, outcome, constraints, source material, standards. And here's the cool part. You use it for literally anything. Email, strategy, hiring, sales, onboarding. This framework works with Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Manus, really any AI. The principles are the same. That's the real unlock here. All 5 prompts plus the full framework. This document is in the description for free. And I hope this saved you time, because the next video I'd watch is right here on the screen above my shoulder somewhere, and it pairs with this one. So I ask you to watch, go win back your week, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.